An Art Deco lobby with 2 high-speed elevators, a sunny bright living room, with a stainless steel kitchen being renovated. The first bedroom is the master bedroom with a large closet with an ensuite. The second bedroom can fit a king-size bed. Third bedroom can fit a king-size bed. And the fourth bedroom can fit a king-size bed. There's a large dining area. There's also a laundry room inside the unit. Check out the full tour.
Hello, lady. I heard you from the door. You sound amazing. I just had to know your name and see whose face went with that new voice that I heard. 'Cause I could feel it like you're singing to me. Oh, wait a minute. Did I forget to say my name is Brendan? It's so nice to meet you and make your acquaintance. I'll let you go the second set is starting. I'll take my seat. Ooh, maybe later. Oh, maybe now. It'll be our time and we can take it. We'll take our time. If this is love, then we can make it. We'll make it right. Baby, free your mind, we're gonna make it. I know that we can get through it. Set 2 was killing. The band was going in and I could feel it. I just sat there in a trance and caught that healing. Then you broke it down and I was hanging on your every word. Ooh, get it. Not only could you sing, you started spitting. Kicked the verse from Lauryn Hill and I was lifted. I don't wanna come down. You got me fanning like a granny in church. Ooh, maybe later. Oh, maybe now. It'll be our time and we can take it. We'll take our time. If this is love, then we can make it. We'll make it right. Baby, free your mind, we're gonna make it. I know that we can get through it. Free your mind, let's get free. Take my hand, let's do this. Free your mind, let's get free. Take my hand, let's do this.
I took a drive down looking to vibe out. My brother said it would be something to write about, so I slid through to show love to the family. But evidently still God had other plans for me. I walked in and heard a sound I could only say hit me in the chest and had me feeling some type of way. And as I turned to identify the source, I nearly hit the floor.